15 Best Guard Dogs that also make wonderful family pets. There are many reasons to want a guard dog: for personal protection, to keep your property safe, or as a living doorbell for when a visitor arrives. Unfortunately, guard dogs often get a bad reputation for being vicious or dangerous, but that's not entirely accurate. In reality, the very same traits that make these breeds the best protectors also make them incredible family pets. Fierce loyalty to the people they've adopted as their pack, the intelligence to make them trainable to respond to actual threats, and a lovable streak a mile wide. According to the American Kennel Club, the best guard dogs are devoted, brave, and know when it's time to fight off an intruder, but that doesn't mean they'll be vicious animals. Give them the training they need when they're young, and these pets will do everything they can to protect you from harm. Just like any other working dog, when a guard dog is off the clock, they'll also be ready to offer you a lifetime of love and affection. If you're in the market for a super-size fur friend that isn't necessarily bred to protect, check out the best large dog breeds that also make amazing pets. Number 1, Akita. Akitas have a large build. Just look at the size of that head, which makes them a powerful animal. If you socialize them well with family and friends early on in life, they'll know who's a playmate and who's an intruder. Number 2, Appenzeller Sennenhund. Though smaller than some of the other large dogs on our list, Appenzeller Sennenhunds still make a great guard dog due to their agility and energy. They were originally bred to work as farm dogs, so their intelligence and obedience can do double duty if you've got some land. Number 3, Australian Shepherd. The medium-sized Aussie is both beautiful and brave. Most at home on a ranch or in a rodeo, these dogs are natural herders and will take any opportunity to get other animals, or even kids, in line. What's more, they make energetic playmates for the whole family. Number 4, Bull Mastiff. These large, muscular dogs are a cross between bulldogs and mastiffs in a super-size package. To avoid altercations with other animals or people, they're best suited for houses with fenced-in yards. Bull Mastiffs are a great walking companion, but leave them at home when you go running, since they're not built for sustained speed. Number 5, Katula Leopard Dog. These large, muscular dogs are a cross between bulldogs and mastiffs in a super-size package. If you aren't sure if you can handle that characteristic puppy energy, Katula Leopard Dogs start acting like adults at 10 months old. Number 6, Caucasian Shepherd Dog. These massive pups know exactly how to respond if they sense a threat to your house or family members, so don't underestimate their disarming fluffiness. The Caucasian Shepherd Dogs are a great option if you have kids and other animals, because they're loving and careful around people they know and trust. Number 7, Chesapeake Bay Retrievers. This powerful pup boasts a wavy, waterproof coat that sets it apart from other retrievers. However, you can still expect the loyal and energetic traits that make golden retrievers and labs one of the most popular pets. Chesses are polite with strangers, but still cautious and not overly affectionate with those they don't know, all of which makes them excellent watchdogs. Number 8. Doberman Pinscher. Don't let a Doberman's slick body fool you. They're strong, fast and fearless, making them the perfect dog to guard your house. The energetic breed requires a lot of exercise, so be prepared to go on long walks with them if you don't want to come home to a mess. Number 9. Estrella Mountain Dogs. Estrellas are thought to be one of the oldest breeds in Portugal, where these dogs are named after a range of mountains. They're super gentle and protective of their people, so they'll fit in with a tight-knit family. Number 10. German Shepherd. German Shepherds are one of the most common breeds for police dogs, but they're just as popular as pets. They'll protect your house from intruders and are so loyal that they will form a strong bond with you. If you're looking for a pup you can train to do just about anything, look no further. Number 11. Giant Schnauzer. The Giant Schnauzer is basically a stronger, larger version of its standard counterpart. Be prepared to spend a decent amount of time grooming them, because that thick coat of hair requires regular brushing. They've got a beard, after all. Number 12. Puli. Puli dogs were originally meant for herding, so they learn fast and can easily outsmart any predators. The jury's still out on whether they will clean your floors for you, though. Puli dogs were originally meant for herding, so they learn fast and can easily outsmart any predators. Their goofy appearance hides a super smart pup. Number 13. Romanian Ntic Shepherd Dog. This type of guard dog bonds closely with its owner, so they won't do well if you leave them alone for long periods of time. Romanian Ntic Shepherd Dogs are loving and kind enough to be your closest bud, but they will bark and get aggressive if they encounter strangers they don't already know and trust. Number 14. Rockweiler. If you know anyone with a Rockweiler, chances are that you've experienced their gentle nature around their owners. But their standoffishness can be intimidating when it comes to strangers. To ensure they mind their manners, socialize your Rottweiler with other people and dogs in addition to taking them to training classes to make the most of that big breed. Last but not the least, number 15. Stafford Terrier. Not everyone has the space for a large animal in their home, but that doesn't mean they don't need a powerful guard dog. Generally weighing in at less than 40 pounds, Stafford Terriers are muscular, brave and natural fighters when they need to be. They also have lots of energy, so long walks and plenty of playtime will keep them, and you, in tip-top shape. Thank you for watching.